What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to get on here and show you guys a quick 3D print trick that I found online by MesquiteAutomotive. I'll put the link below if you got a 3D printer, if you know a friend. But it cost me about 20 cents in plastic. I think an hour to print, and just typical stuff I had laying around the garage. I mean, you can probably use 2 pipe straps on some 2x4 and a little rebar, and put this over in the end of it, and remove your valve springs. Takes about 10 seconds each. I'll see if I can do one while I hold the camera. I mean, I'm not too big on doing these YouTube videos on the phone, but I'll show you a quick demo. Yeah, so I had a little bit of a extruded aluminum laying around the garage. So here's my little contraption, some rebar, a 4G63 head, and I'll just show you real quick. I'll move this over. I do have it loose right now, but here goes the 3D printed part. And MesquiteAutomotive actually made it. About I had to sand the sides off a little. I don't know if you can see right there, right there, right there, and then I put a little heat gun to it. You kind of squeeze just a hair, just to clear the intake passage right here. It seems to get pinched right here, but that solved it. But I don't have it strapped right now. I'm kind of in a pinch for time. You know, a typical married man who's got to work on his car any second he's got. So I'll show you. But as you can see, seat's on there nice and good. And I'll give it a, I did just move it over to the exhaust side, but and there you go. Works like a charm. And this is an ABS. This is really cheap plastic. But see if I could I don't know what in the heck I did with my magnet. Go figure, while I'm YouTubing. Alright, but go. Move this back over. Alright. The other one's stuck in there. There goes the other one. Sorry for the fight, but there you go. Let's see if video editing will work on my favor. Maybe I'll do this one. Get this out the way for you guys a little quicker. Get all the other stuff out the way. Alright. There you go. It only cost me 25 cents in plastic and some garbage around the garage. Have a good one.